Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this CHIFENCHY portable magnetic Bluetooth golf speaker set. It's set of two. They have Bluetooth, I think the latest Bluetooth version, and here we can see how we could use that. I mean, they come with the possibility of multi-point connection. They come with strong magnets. They have even portable carabiner included, 24-hour playtime and only 3-hour charging time, which is pretty good. And so let's open the box and see what we get and how they work. And so here we have the quick user manual. I'm going to show you that. I hope it's focusing nicely so you can read everything. I mean, it's not very complicated, but maybe could help you. The good thing is it does not only come with speakers, it comes also with a microphone, and so we can use them to make hand-free calling. So they are very versatile, and so here we are. I would say, yeah, they are quite solid. I mean, they have quite some weight. I mean, they are not super heavy, but they look very sturdy. They come also with waterproof IPX5, and of course we have the magnets here. And of course, the more metal, the better. As you can see, they have a really solid hold already with this amount of metal. So imagine if you want to stick it to your car, golf cart, toolbox, or wherever you find metal, this will have a really solid hold, very strong magnets. But if you don't find metals, you can also use this hooks here, carabiner hooks. Yeah, they are nicely built. They are definitely not cheap or so. I think they are working really good. And also the good thing, they are centered here. And so if you have them hanging on your backpacks, they will go down straight and not leaning or so. This is also something which is important. And then here we have the opening, of course, for the charging, and also for the 3.5mm, so you can not only use it with Bluetooth. If you want to connect it with something which doesn't have Bluetooth, you can also use it with this 3.5mm cable, also charging. Same thing here. I would say really thick, nice protection here. Definitely some waterproofness. And we get also one charging cable if you want to charge them at the same time. I think you need an extra cable, and here what they include, even this 3.5mm cable, not too shabby. What we also have here at the bottom are these soft rubber feet, so it has a really good stand and it doesn't scratch any surface or so. That's also helpful. So they make a really good impression, pretty solid. But the awesome thing comes when it comes to connectivity. So we are able to connect up to 100 of such speakers. I mean, we connect actually one to a phone or to a tablet or something, or to a PC by Bluetooth, and then we connect all the other 99 ones to this speaker, which is already connected to a PC or laptop or smartphone. So all of them will play exactly same music. This can be absolutely awesome for a party or a large event or so. By the way, they come all totally identical. They are not like an A and B, so we just turn one of them on with a long press here until we hear something, and then we go to Bluetooth pair new device. By the way, there's also this indicator light here. It's flashing blue, and we find this BK diamond, so we connect here. It says pairing, and of course we give authorization. And so we have it here already active with 70% battery, came from the factory, really good. And now the really interesting thing is how to connect the next speakers to the first one. So we have to also long press here to turn it on. But this one we are not connecting to the phone, we are connecting it to this speaker. So you can see this one is flashing here. So we have to short press on the first one here, and then it goes into connection. You can see the green blinking light, and we also short press on the one on the left side, and so they are connecting to each other. And so at the end of the connection process, the primary speaker will be in the blinking green and the depending speaker will be in solid green. So if you want to pair other ones, we have to press here again and then turn on the next one and short press, and then it will be also connected to this one, and so on and so on. We can repeat this up to 99 times. So let's see how this really works. And so here we are on one of my YouTube videos. You can see it's license free, royalty free, so you don't have to be worried about what I'm playing here. And what you can hear, that it has really nice deep bass sound. Yeah, I was not expecting this from this size of speakers. I'm really surprised. Yeah, and I've double checked, we can definitely hear the audio from both of them. And what we can do, we can of course control the volume from here or from here directly. You can see. Okay, turn it down again. Let's see what we can do with this one here with a short press. We can definitely also increase and decrease the audio level. Can we also control the music with a long press? Yeah, this definitely doesn't work. This is exactly how it's described in instructions. We can only use the primary one, the one which is blinking, to go to the next track or go to the previous track. This is exactly how it's described. So we can increase or decrease the volume with each of them, but to control the audio or probably also take a phone, reject a call, all these things is only possible with the primary speaker. But definitely really nice sound here. Yeah, you can hear the bass sound. We can increase that. Pretty cool. Yeah, turn down the volume again a little bit so you can understand me. And then two other things which might be really interesting for you. I have tested them for stereo effect. Here I have a YouTube video. I have connected both of them as normal, and some of the audio is supposed to come from the left side, some is supposed to be from the right side, and when I play this I can hear both of the sides at the same level. There is no difference, no left side, no right side. So I think they don't have like a real stereo or effect or so, but of course it's still a very nice audio effect if you have the audio, like the sound coming from the all side. But it's exactly same thing which you have on speaker 1 will be on speaker 2 and speaker 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, these things. So you cannot build like groups which represent then the left side and other groups which will represent the right side of the stereo effect. Some other things also, as you can see here, I have plugged both of them in here and they are still connected and they can still play music absolutely no problem at the same time. So this is also maybe important to know, that you can charge and play them at the same time. But yeah, definitely from my side, full recommendation. I love these things. So I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.